How to add career to your Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add your career to your Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee. Once you are there, click on edit up there and you're gonna find those options. Scroll down and you're gonna find more information. Now all you need to do is click on it and you're gonna find add career. Click on add and now you can enter your position, your company, and tell us when you joined and when you left. Now you can click on save to save those information to your profile on Likee, and you're gonna find it here beside your bio and on your profile information. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like.